Hello everyone, today in this video we will learn how to use the MACD indicator, one of the most accurate tools to identify trend changes and momentum in trading. So let's go, no more talk. We have the MACD stand for moving average, convergence, divergence. It shows the relationship between two moving averages, a fast one and a slow one, to identify when momentum shift. So how to add this? Let's try to see on the same screen. Just click the indicators option. First of all, I have to delete this previous one and search on that MACD. You will see this moving average, conversion and divergence. Just add on that, click on that, and that will be added automatically. Just wait a few seconds and the market is going to show the visibility. You can change. Okay. Okay, back again. So this is the best indicator for the average point to show. We already added this indicator MACD. We'll see the three parts of this indicator: MACD line and the signal line on the histogram. So if we can see the histogram analysis, we'll see that blue line. You can see this is a blue line which is called MACD line, and the orange line is called signal line. And the bars history, you can see that here the down, up, down, down, up. So when the MACD line, that's mean the blue line, that's called MACD line. When the MACD line crosses above the signal lines, you can see that when the blue line crosses that orange line. For here, if we mark that one, you will understand it better. Basically, this is the position where the blue line crossed that orange line, and in this here, this is called crossover, and the signal lines, it shows bullish moment. This shows the bearish moment for the downtrend. So if in this position, if here from down to up, the orange line cross that, if the blue line cross that orange line, and this is called the uptrend, and that's called the bullish moment. If that will be the opposite of that position, if the orange line cross that blue line, that's called bullish bearish trend. The bar called the histogram show the distance between the two lines. If the bars are getting longer, moment is increasing. If they shrink, moment is slowing down. Here is an example when MACD crossed above the signal line, the price started trending upward. As I told that here is an example when MACD crossed above the orange line, or that means signal line, the price started trending upward. So if with this position, if we mark that one, this line cross that line, if we enter from here, that's called this is a trend line. The market will definitely go on to be here. So we can understand with this signal that is crossed that line and is going up. So that's how we use the MACD indicator to spot early trend reversals and momentum shift. In the next video, we will explore Bollinger Bands, another great tools for spotting volatility and breakouts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you use MACD in your strategy. Thank you.